Hey guys, Justin from the Aqua Weed Stick team, and I'm here to show you how to put on the trailer mount kit. First off, I got a 3 to 6 foot Aqua Weed Stick and our 2 trailer mount clamps. First step I want you to do is just take the zip ties out and get them unraveled on each clamp. The next step I want you to do is put these, I don't know, about 3 inches from each end and lock these on the weed stick, and have the back side of each clamp faced the same direction. So that's what that'll look like. And now I want you to put this in the trailer location that you'd like. Our recommendation is just towards the front of the trailer, so when you go in and out of landings you're not catching weeds on it. And you're gonna want the back side of the clamps faced towards the inside of the trailer. And then at this point, once you got it in the location you want, just go ahead and clamp the clamp down with the zip ties in the back. First one's done. You're just trying to get these as snug as possible. If you need to use any needle nose pliers or anything, feel free. And that's it. Now it's in place and you should be good to go. So your Aqua Weed Stick mounted the trailer. Have a good time on the lake, guys. Thanks.